the punk scene. That's where the juice was. And it matched my energy for what I wanted to do as a photographer. And I wasn't really part of that scene, but I used my camera to get in. So I hung out with a lot of the groups in a way that I wasn't their friend, but I would take their pictures for them. I wasn't so much into the big names, I was into the energy. And the students at the Art Institute in that scene never made it big at all. Bands would take the painting studios and just put black plastic up on the walls to cover the art and throw parties. Then occasionally people would come to town, like the Ramones. The Sex Pistols had their last concert here. Here's a story on the Sex Pistols, and I don't mind telling it because it's a good joke on me. It was the last concert ever at Winterland. No one knew it though. They broke up the next day or that night. The hotel where they stayed at was called the Miyako Hotel in Japantown. Guess what? So I go to the concert that night. Everyone was there. So the next day I'm at the Miyako at 10 a.m. in the morning photographing the employee of the month. That's the job, right? So I go in there and I think I walk through the lobby and I see in the bar or restaurant, Johnny Rotten was just sitting there all alone with like 6 beers and a bunch of cigarettes. And I had my Hasselblad, my flash and everything. And I just took a little detour in there to talk to him, and I took some pictures, and they'd just broken up, and I got, the rest of the band as they were leaving in a rental car. Even to this day, I used the camera to get into places and meet people. The thrill of discovery and just the joy of being in these environments and getting these documents. And maybe intuitively, being sentimental, I knew I would love to look back at it someday and freeze it because it was proof that I was there.